Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 4, Lesson 28. Today we'll meet two more kinds of pronouns. First, possessive pronouns, which show who owns something. Then, indefinite pronouns, which point to no one in particular. Two small word families that come up again and again on the test. Let's start with possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun shows who or what has something. It takes the place of a possessive noun. Some come right before a noun. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. As in, my kite, or their house. Others stand on their own, with no noun after them. Mine, yours, hers, ours, theirs. As in, the winning kite was hers. Same idea either way, ownership. Now the big trap, and it's the one the test loves. Possessive pronouns never use an apostrophe. Look at its, its, with no apostrophe. That's the possessive. The dog wagged its tail. The tail belongs to the dog, so its is correct. But it apostrophe s, its, is not a possessive at all. It's a contraction, short for it is or it has. So when you mean ownership, drop the apostrophe. Its tail. Yours, hers, theirs. None of them take one. Now the second family, indefinite pronouns. An indefinite pronoun does not point to a particular person, place, or thing. Think of words like everyone, someone, anybody, nothing, each, either, few, many, and several. They're vague on purpose. And here's what matters for the test. When an indefinite pronoun is the subject, the verb has to agree with it. Everybody enjoys the fair. That's singular. Many enter every year. That's plural. So you have to know which is which. So let's sort them out. Some indefinite pronouns are always singular. Everyone, each, nothing, somebody. Some are always plural. Few, many, several, both. And a handful can go either way. All, any, most, none, and some. For those, the phrase that follows decides. Most of the gym is full, singular, because gym is singular. But most of the projects are clever, plural, because projects is plural. The word after it tells you which. In this first set, pick the pronoun that best completes the sentence. Decide whether the blank needs a possessive pronoun, showing ownership, or an indefinite pronoun, pointing to no one in particular. Pause and try each one before I answer. China was a kingdom, and blank army was strong. The army belongs to China, so we need a possessive pronoun before the noun army. That's its, its, with no apostrophe. It apostrophe s would mean it is, which makes no sense here. So the answer is its. Blank explorations help the dynasty flourish. The explorations belong to the explorer, Chang, so we want a possessive pronoun. His explorations fits. Yours would point to the listener, which is wrong, and either is indefinite. So the answer is his. The emperor decided that blank had to be done. Here, the blank is the subject, and it names no specific thing. That calls for an indefinite pronoun. Something had to be done. Its and their are possessives, and can't be the subject here. So the answer is something. 3 more. Same plan. Decide whether the sentence needs ownership, a possessive, or a vague pointer, an indefinite. And watch the apostrophe trap. Pause and try each one. To protect blank kingdom, the emperor built a wall. The kingdom belongs to the emperor, so we need a possessive before kingdom. His kingdom fits. Neither is indefinite, and it apostrophe s means it is. So the answer is his. The wall slowed the invaders, but blank kept them out. The meaning is that no thing at all kept them out. That's the indefinite pronoun nothing. Its and their are possessives and don't fit as the subject here. So the answer is nothing. Almost blank knew the location of the hidden city. The point is that hardly any people knew. That's the indefinite pronoun few, meaning almost no one. Its is a possessive, and mine stands alone for a thing already owned, so neither works as this subject. So the answer is few. Let's wrap up. Possessive pronouns show ownership. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. And the standalone forms. Mine, yours, hers, ours, theirs. The key rule, they never take an apostrophe. So its with no apostrophe is the possessive, while it apostrophe s always means it is or it has. Indefinite pronouns like everyone, nothing, few, and many point to no one in particular, and when one is the subject, make the verb agree, singular or plural. Great work!